You only want to challenge the user when you think that there is something wrong, because they tire and they get fatigued if they're constantly being challenged. So let me show you how it looks for the end user. So what I'm looking at right here is an experience where you can actually see multi-factor authentication in action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to try to authenticate from two different browsers. On the left-hand side here, you see a standard browser. On the right-hand side, you see a Tor browser. And you can see here, this traffic is being routed throughout Europe to basically try to hide where I'm authenticating from. On the left-hand side, you can see I was automatically signed in. On the right-hand side, what happened as soon as we saw that that user was in a suspicious browser and trying to hide its IP address, it automatically triggered a multi-factor authentication. Now in this case, what's happening is the user is getting a phone call. And so, here on an iPhone, I get a phone call, it asks me for a PIN. If a user is able to enter their PIN, they're seamlessly given access to the experience. But if they cannot, we block the attack. So multi-factor authentication should be one of your primary guards to help you do what we call protect at the front door, which is verifying the user is who they say they are. But it has to be done in a way that has intelligence behind it and only challenges the user with a multi-factor authentication when there is something out of the ordinary. That's what we have built, and is very unique again in the market. That is one of the core parts of enterprise mobility and how we've integrated EMS with Office 365 and all the applications you want to give access to.